Hi, just a quick update on the oscilloscope. This is part 2 of the Hameg HM303-6 repair, which had a deflection fault where one of the output transistors had failed. This one was damaged in shipping apparently, but it had a fault with the final output transistor, this one that had died. Basically the Y plate voltages, one was at 146 volts regardless of the settings, and the other one varied between 20 and 90 volts depending on the Y position control. So even though that transistor checked okay, it was going open circuit when current was passed through it. It was a very strange fault. That's a 2SC3502E. It must be the E version because that's rated up to 200 volts. So I've replaced that. I noticed the original insulator was missing, so I kind of cobbled one together using a plastic screw so it won't short to the case. But yeah, I've replaced that transistor. It's all working fine now. If you want to watch part 1, I'll link it down below. But basically in a nutshell, this scope was going to be not working. I thought it was a high voltage fault, but it turned out that the vertical position was deflected off the screen. Yeah, it was just that transistor that gone open circuit. So I'll put it back together and then see it working. As you can see, it's working. I have put signals into it and it still seems accurate despite replacing that transistor. I mean, it is a like for like, so it should be fine. Now the lighting is a bit crappy because I'm doing this on my phone, so, but yeah, if you watch part 1, you'll see the full fault diagnosis, which made me believe that the output transistor was faulty, even though it actually measured okay, and that did actually prove to be the case. So yeah, so working fine now. Thanks for watching.